In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the aspect ratio of video in Canva. Changing the aspect ratio is simply about adjusting the shape of your video frame so it matches where you plan to share it. A square frame works well for some social feeds, while a widescreen frame is great for desktops and presentations. In Canva, this is handled through the crop tool on your video, which lets you trim the visible area and choose a preset ratio for a clean, consistent result. Start by opening your project and navigating to the page where your video sits. Make sure you're on the exact page containing the clip you want to adjust, especially if your project has multiple pages or scenes. Once you see the video on the canvas, double-click it. That action opens Canva's cropping view, where the video is framed by adjustable handles and the area outside the crop is dimmed, so you can clearly see what will remain visible. If you want complete control, use the freeform cropping option. Click and drag the corner or side handles to trim the edges of your video until the frame suits your needs. As you drag, keep an eye on the most important parts of your shot, subjects, captions, or logos, so they remain comfortably inside the frame. The goal is to enhance composition while preserving what matters. Think of the crop as a way to guide the viewer's attention and remove distractions near the borders. If you prefer a faster standardized result, choose one of the preset ratios. Canva provides common options such as 1.9 for a square look, original if you want to keep the video's native shape, and 16.9 for a classic widescreen format. Presets help you maintain consistency across different designs and ensure your video looks right on the platform you're targeting. For example, a square frame can make content feel balanced in grid-style feeds, while widescreen is ideal for presentations and landscape viewing. As you fine-tune the crop, check that nothing essential is cut off at the edges and that your subject stays centered or intentionally positioned. If your video includes text overlays, give them a little breathing room from the borders so they remain readable. Take a moment to preview how the frame feels. A clean crop often makes a big difference in overall polish. When you're satisfied, click Done to apply the crop. You can always double-click the video again if you want to tweak the framing later. And that's it. Simple, clear, and ready for your next project.